Good morning, friends. I hope everyone is doing well. I request everyone to watch my videos in a sequence for better understanding. If you really like my teaching and my efforts, please press the like button, share the videos with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell button to get the regular updates. In the last video, I have discussed what is a combinational circuit, what are the applications of combinational circuit, and how to construct a combinational circuit. All these things I have discussed in detail. I hope you have watched that video. If you have not watched that video, I request you to go and watch the video and come back to this video for better understanding. In this video, I want to discuss about off adder. Meaning is that I will discuss about adder and then I will discuss about off adder, and in the next video I will discuss about the full adder. When I was discussing about the applications of the combinational circuits, I have discussed several applications. One is the adder. Am I right or wrong? So what is the adder will do? It will perform the addition. Suppose let's take that I am taking two binary numbers which is having 4 bits. A0, A1, A2, A3 are the 4-bit binary numbers. Similarly, we have B1, B2 and B3 are the 4-bit binary number. Now I want to perform the addition. Now while I am performing the addition A0 and B0, I will get the sum and then the carry. Then again the carry A1 and B1 will be performed addition. You will get the sum and the carry. This C1, A2 and B2 you will perform the addition. You will get the sum and the carry. You will get the sum and the end carry. You will get this one, we will call it as a end carry. Now coming to the off adder. This is about the adder. What is meant by off adder? It is a combinational circuit that adds two 1-bit numbers and produces sum and the carry bits as an output. So it can perform addition of two 1-bit numbers. So these two can be added. Now lot of people will have a doubt. Now C0, A1 and B1, these are the three. Am I right? Can I add using the off adder? No, we cannot add. That's what I was exclusively mentioned here, that adds two 1-bit numbers. So using a off adder, we cannot add all these 4 bits at a time. Using one off adder, I can perform A0 and B0 addition only. Then if you have to perform the addition like C0, A1 and B1, then we will use the full adder that I will discuss in the next video. So let me discuss how to construct a off adder. I hope you have understood a off adder and what is the use of off adder. Now let me discuss how to construct a off adder. You will have to do, first step is that what? You have to identify the inputs. The inputs are here A and B. Okay, means that A0 and B0 only, means I am taking 1 bit only. And the outputs are, as I mentioned here, sum and the carry. Is it clear? That is the step 1. What is the step 2? You have to construct the truth table. Let me construct the truth table. A and B, I have a sum C and carry. Sum S and C carry. This is my input and this is my output. Now, if you have two binary variables, how many combinations you will get? You will get 4 combinations, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Am I right? Now, when you are adding 0 and 0, what will be the sum? Sum will be 0 and carry also will be 0. When you are adding 0 and 1, sum will be 1, carry will be 0. 1 and 1, sum will be 1 and carry will be 0. When you are performing addition 1 and 1, you will get sum as 0, carry as 1. Is it clear? Now if you have a doubt, you can check it. 1 and 1, if you add it, you will get the 2, if it is a decimal number. If you convert into binary number, it will be 1, 0. So sum is 0 and carry is 1. I hope you have understood. So this is the truth table. Once I got the truth table, what should I do? I have to simplify the each output. Am I right or wrong? Meaning is that the Boolean expression I have to simplify. What is this Boolean expression? If I take the min terms, these are the min terms I have to take. So what is this one? Input is A complement B and then or A B complement. This is my sum. Am I right or wrong? Can I further minimize this expression? No. I can simply write it as A exclusive or B. Am I right or wrong? This expression is equal to exclusive OR. Now let me discuss about the carry. When the carry is 1 or it is producing the output 1 here only. So if I represent the min term, I will get the expression as AB. So I got the sum as A exclusive OR B, carry is AB. Now I can easily construct the combinational circuit for off adder. Let me discuss how to construct it. I hope you are following it. Okay. So we have two inputs A and B. Okay. Now if I want to generate the sum A and B inputs, I have to perform the exclusive OR. So I will give to the exclusive OR gate. I hope it is looking like an exclusive OR. Okay. So this is my sum. And for carry, I have to perform the AND between A and B. Okay, these are the two inputs A and B. I will perform the AND operation. I will get the carry. So this is the off adder circuit. I hope you have understood what is a off adder, how to construct the circuit for the off adder. If you still have any doubts related to the off adder, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear your doubts as early as possible. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.